Hey guys, welcome from unibikerz family. So this is the last end part of my Sitong ride. Like you will see the view. First, the timeline is like first we have gone to the view places. We have first being to uh, that is Adaldhala viewpoint, then Namting Pokhara, then monastery, then Jogi Ghat, and so on. You will see the whole riding experience. Second, coming to the drone shot of our room and the review of our room, how we have stayed, and all the things. Third part, the ending part, which is from like we have back, and that Kalimpong road is there. So Kalimpong road was there already with us, and that was open just 3 hours before we have entered into Kalimpong zone or the Sebok road, which is the NH10. So people were there, army were there, they were clearing up the roads and all the things, and you will enjoy a lot. Also, meanwhile, there is no update on my bike. Let's see what happens. So till the time, see you.
Thank you. হোল্ড নিতাম এখান থেকে না ও দুজন যে জনতা ছিল তারা চলে গেছে, আমরা আছে আর আরেকজন আছে, ওরা আলাদা মিলি চলে গেছে। একটা হেল্পলাইন নাম্বার, আচ্ছা সুইসাইডের যখন একটা পরে আমি দরকার প্রেশার করে দেবো, টেনশন নেই, সেটা কম পড়ে জায়গা লাগবে। এই যে ফ্ল্যাগটা উঠছে, ফ্ল্যাগটা হয়ে যাবে, এটাই তো আমারটা কোথায়। গাইস এখন আমরা নেক্সট হোমস্টেতে আছি অ্যান্ড এখানে অলরেডি একজন মেম্বার ছাড়া বাকি সবার প্লেটে খাওয়া হয়ে গেছে আর মুখেও চলে গেছে সেটা।
চলে গেছে না যাচ্ছে?
না আমাদের চলে গেছে, তোমার হয়তো যাচ্ছে। সো লুচি ঘুগনি যেটা হচ্ছে বাঙালিদের খাবার। এখান থেকে ওই মেদিনীপুরে কে গো, মেদিনীপুর কে যায়? আচ্ছা তুমি না, ওইখানে হচ্ছে বলতে কি মুড়ি ঘুগনি। তো মুড়ি ঘুগনি বাকি
সব খাই সকালে।
রাত্রেবেলা খাবারের মধ্যে আমরা পেয়েছি হচ্ছে এগ কারি, পটলের সবজি, একটা ভাজা ছিল অ্যান্ড চিকেন উইথ রুটি। রুটি অপশনাল ছিল, এটা নিজের উপরে, যেহেতু আমরা রুটি বলেছিলাম, রাইসও অ্যাভেলেবল ছিল। আমরা যা বলবো সেটার উপরে। এই বিপ্লবটা কেমন এনজয় করছো?
খুব ভালো।
বিপ্লবদা কালকে অপারেটিং এর কি রকম এক্সপেরিয়েন্স?
এক্সিলেন্ট। এই কোণিগুলো খুব ব্যথা করছে।
বিপ্লবদা ইজ সার্টিফাইড রাইট নাও ফর লাদাখ।
ইয়েস, আমার এই কোণিগুলো ব্যথা করছে, বাকি সব ঠিক আছে। কোণিগুলো ব্যথা করছে।
বাই দ্য ওয়ে ওই যে সৌভিকের বাইক পড়ে গেছিল,
বেচারাকে বদনাম
বলেছি না, তুই যখন যাবেন বাড়িতে জানে না।
তো আমার কনসার্ট চ্যানেল সাবস্ক্রাইব করেছে।
তাই ওই এতে চলে এলে তখন কি হবে?
ও
এখন এই
ঠিক আছে, বাইক পড়েনি।
তাহলে ওটা কেটে দিস।
আচ্ছা সৌভিক,
দুনিয়া তো চলে আসে।
এ সৌভিক ভাই কেমন এক্সপিরিয়েন্স ছিল তোর?
ভালো না,
বেশি এক্সপ্লেন করতে চাইছি না জিনিসটা।
শুভঙ্কর পিলিয়ন বউ এটা গেলে
পিলানকে জিজ্ঞেস কর, সব থেকে ভালো। আমি তো এক্সপিরিয়েন্স যা করেছি তো।
হ্যাঁ পিলিয়ন, তোমার এক্সপিরিয়েন্স কি ছিল?
ও ওই রাস্তা কি ওয়ার্ল্ডের সেরা ড্রাইভার আমাদের শুভঙ্কর পায়াল।
এটা আমিও মানছি, একটা অ্যাওয়ার্ড দিতে হবে বিপিআর থেকে।
অবশ্যই দিতে হবে। লাদাখ, আমি বলছি লাদাখে সবাই করে, লাদাখ করে, কিন্তু আচ্ছা লোককে লাদাখ করে এসেছে, এখানে ছেড়ে দিক পিলিয়ান দিয়ে। আমি চ্যালেঞ্জ করে বলছি পিলিয়ান সমেত সে পড়তে বাধ্য।
আর এবং তার পিলিয়ান তাকে ছেড়ে চলে যাবে।
বিপ্লবরা সেটা বললো।
তার যদি লেডি পিলিয়ান হয় সে বলবে আমি
পারবে না।
লেডি পিলিয়ান হলে
সো গাইস ঠিক আছে, চলো এবার খাওয়া যাক, তারপরে ফোন করবো, মানে ভিডিও করবো। সো গাইস ওয়েলকাম টু Setong stay again. This is the whole scenic beauty. You can see it's cloudy out here, but if you can see there are some mountain patches and we are sitting just at the balcony of it, and literally the view is really good. The only problem which we faced till now to come to this the next homestay is there is a road problem. Without that road problem there won't be anything okay. Like if the road have been done very good, then we don't have like faced any problem, except that the fooding is really good. The fooding is very okay. We are staying out here. You can see it's a total cloudy area, and we can see the whole mountain patches and all the things. Coming to the part, I will give you a home tour right now. The home tour also look, and also we have requested for some special accommodations or amenities or something like that, so that are a bit different. I will share with you. Like I will come not live, but I will come at night because we have requested for the barbecue. And this total property arranged is from our tours and travel is managed by Chatterjee Tours and Travels. I will share the description link and all the things in the like below. You can check it out. Or people like me who are from actually IT profession, if they got a good holiday, or if you want to come actually to fresh your mind, they like it is totally based like a home. You can come like a home, you can sit, you can do whatever you want. If you want internet, they will help you with that. It's like what I can say, pay for your demand, POD service. So let me show you the interior of it. So if you see, this is the scenic beauty, and this is 2 rooms which we have booked out, 3 for 3. Okay, so this is Subhangorda. Hi Subhangorda, already you have seen in my video. So how was your experience with this particular homestay?
Location is good, and come to the main point, there is no road to come here. It's not road, it's only hill.
that is the main part of Setong. So people who want to come to Setong, they should have.
There is no chance of tarmac road or any kind of a paved block. No, only
So-
hills and cuts.
Basically, you want to say, like, if somebody wants to come to this place, they should be daily fan of mountain.
Yes.
So there will be total off-roading and all the
I
things more.
am now fan of hill.
And this is all because of also the accommodation. Coming to the part of accommodation, is it good for you? It's a okay type.
Okay, right.
Okay.
Not good, not very good, not okay.
Okay. So coming to the room part, this is not the entrance. This is basically the balcony entrance.
That side.
This is the balcony entrance. So with this you will have a red carpet. This is the red carpet. We have the dustbin out here. The dustbin is already provided. We have the washroom. The washroom is well neated. We have the geyser facility. Let me show you. The flush are also working. So this is the geyser. We have the washroom facility. We have a bucket and all the thing. It's a bit cold here, like the temperature is not normal. So we are the riding people. So you can see like all our riding hubs are here. I will show you the particular view of one of the room. This room is already there. This room is already there, and we have booked this room also. So I will show you this room. This is the second room which we booked. We have two beds because it is a 3 accommodation. One is the double bed, one is the single bed. We have one table. You can see we have one sofa out here. We have the washroom and all the things. That is totally common. We have the good decor. It's a very good decor for me. Coming to part, this is the common area. We used to enter from here. This is the common area. So you can check out all the things. It's very good. So you can see this is the one. Here we have to come. Our bikes are parked nearly at this location. From there the off-road is coming. I will show you the off-road part also. And this is the balcony area. One more balcony. We have the terrace. Let me show you the terrace. So here this is the terrace part. This is somewhere a good one. So we have the options out table here. We have the sitting place. This is the view of the total terrace, and yeah, it's a good accommodation what we can see. And we have the staff option. The staff is also cooperative. We have the kitchen option. I will show you the dining option right now. Let me go just down. So guys, you can see this is the place. Again we are going down right now. The kitchen facility is available here. So this is Tommy, the mountain dog. We have the good ambience. দাদা একটু আসলাম না শুধু ভিডিওটা করার জন্য তোমরা খাও আরামসে আমি ভিডিওটা করে না না জাস্ট অ্যাম্বিয়েন্স so this is the dining hall right now the property owner is eating and property owner always sits here if anything you want you can definitely come we have the dining here with the seater we have one more dining and one more dining is there if you can see there we have one more dining I will show that also so this is the one this is the kitchen area it is like not entered out here so this is the total kitchen area what we can eat what we can and also like if you have a request tell the owner at the early he like at the morning there he will arrange everything for you coming to the part the next dining area so let me show huh
ড্রোনটা উপরে, ড্রোনটা ছাড়বো, দাঁড়াও। এই তো সকালবেলা ছেড়েছিলাম, শুধু মেঘই পেয়েছি। হ্যাঁ এই তো এখন ক্লিয়ার হয়েছে, এখন করছি। সো উই হ্যাভ ওয়ান মোর হিয়ার and it is not a drone restricted area, so if you want a drone shoot you can come here. It is the another dining area. Here you can like sit also, and this is the actual view. Really it's an actual view of all the, like it's a good ambience. We have, like if I tell you just keep quiet for some time, you can hear the sound of some insect which are actually doing this at the rainy season time, so insect are always there, you can hear it. And coming to the part, we have the good thing, and the homestay looks something like this. This is the Nest homestay. So this is the all about the homestay. If anybody wants to come, they can directly contact to ChatGPT Tours and Travels for the same. That's all because of you, Pachanwali. Thank you. And already an upload this for a road is, oh my god.